Your car's check engine light just turned on again, but this time it's different. Not because your car is falling apart, but because these 10 hidden codes can damage your engine, drain your wallet, and leave you stranded if you ignore them. Today, I'll show you the 10 most common check engine codes and explain what causes them, how serious they are, and what you can actually do about them. Let's dive in. Welcome to Fix Mechanism. Code number 1, P0171. System too lean. This code means your engine is getting too much air and not enough fuel on one side. It's like trying to make coffee with too little powder. It turns out weak. The cause could be a dirty mass airflow sensor, a vacuum leak, or a clogged fuel injector. You might notice rough idling, hesitation, or poor MPG. If ignored, it could overheat the engine over time. This code is most common on older Toyotas, Hondas, and Fords. Fix it by checking for air leaks, cleaning the MAF sensor, and replacing faulty fuel injectors. Code number 2, P0300. Random or multiple cylinder misfire detected. This one means your engine is misfiring randomly. Misfires feel like your engine's hiccuping, and it's usually because of bad spark plugs, ignition coils, or fuel delivery problems. It can damage your catalytic converter if left unchecked. This code is often seen in GM, Nissan, and older Volkswagen vehicles. Fix involves inspecting spark plugs, coils, and fuel injectors. Don't drive around with this, it kills performance and emissions. Code number 3, P0420. Catalyst system efficiency below threshold. Your catalytic converter isn't cleaning up the exhaust properly. It's like a filter that's not doing its job anymore. This could be caused by a failing catalytic converter, bad oxygen sensors, or even unburned fuel due to misfires. You'll see it a lot in older Civics, Corollas, and Subarus. If your car smells like rotten eggs or fails emissions, this code might be why. Fixing might mean replacing the catalytic converter or upstream O2 sensors. Both are key in maintaining clean emissions. Code number 4, P0455. Evaporative emission system leak detected. Your car is leaking fuel vapors, not liquid, but gas fumes. A loose or cracked gas cap is often the reason. You might not feel any performance issue, but your car's polluting more. If the cap's tight, it might be a cracked hose or a bad purge valve. To fix it, start by tightening or replacing the gas cap, then smoke test the system for leaks if the light doesn't go away. Code number 5, P0113. Intake air temperature sensor, 1 circuit high input. This code tells you the air temp sensor is reading unrealistically high air temperatures. Your car uses this info to adjust fuel mixture. If it's wrong, your engine might run rich or lean. It's usually due to a disconnected sensor, bad wiring, or a faulty sensor itself. Found a lot in Fords and Mazdas. Replacing the sensor or fixing the wiring usually solves it. Code number 6, P0128. Coolant thermostat. Coolant temperature below thermostat, regulating temperature. Your engine isn't reaching proper temperature fast enough. That might sound good, but it's not. It can affect fuel economy and cause sludge buildup, most likely caused by a stuck-open thermostat. Common in Chevys, Dodges, and some Hyundais. Fixing means replacing the thermostat. It's a cheap fix that prevents bigger problems down the line. Code number 7, P0102. Mass or volume airflow circuit low input. Your car isn't getting proper airflow readings. It's like trying to cook without knowing your stove's temperature. You'll feel sluggish acceleration, maybe even stalling, usually caused by a dirty or failing MAF sensor. Very common in older Nissans, Mazdas, and BMWs. Start by cleaning the sensor with MAF cleaner. If that fails, replace it. Code number 8, P0442. Evaporative emission system leak detected. Similar to P0455, but this one's a smaller vapor leak. Often triggered by a loose gas cap, cracked hose, or failing purge valve. Doesn't usually affect how the car drives, but it does harm the environment. Fix the gas cap first, it's the cheapest step. Then check for small hose leaks or emissions canister damage. Code number 9, P0135. O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction. This means the oxygen sensor's heater isn't working. That heater helps the sensor warm up quickly after you start the engine. If it fails, your engine might run rich when cold, wasting fuel. You'll usually see this in Toyotas, Hondas, and Kias. Replacing the sensor usually fixes it. Don't delay. Poor fuel economy and emissions will follow. Code number 10, P0011, a camshaft position, timing over advanced. This one's more serious. Your camshaft timing is off, usually due to issues with the variable valve timing VVT system. You might hear rattling on startup or notice sluggish acceleration, often caused by dirty or low oil or a bad VVT solenoid. Fix it quickly to avoid engine damage. Start with an oil change, then test the VVT solenoid and timing gear. And there you have it. These common check engine codes might seem small, but ignoring them can silently destroy your engine, your fuel economy, and even your wallet. So the next time that little orange light pops up on your dash, don't clear it and hope for the best. Diagnose it. Fix it. Save your car. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, share it with a friend who drives blind, and subscribe for more no-nonsense car advice that actually makes sense.